Buddy, what is your favorite gun?
The Taurus CX-22.
Oh, let's see it. Pull it out. Pull it out. What? Look at this, bad boy. You got your new holster?
Uh-huh.
Sorry, stick it back in the holster. This is the first time you've ever reholstered. Very cool. That's looking really good, bud.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cards and Crutch. Today we're shooting the Taurus CX-22. Here's a little close-up. Maybe that's too close. Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot it today. Alright. Let's go. Oh, and I really like this gun because, one, it looks cool. Two, it's very easy to shoot. And three, it is so much fun to shoot. And four, I'm just kidding, there is no four. So, yeah, that's all the things I like about this gun. Let's shoot. That is so much fun. Alright. Let's do the outro now. Let me put this. Alright guys, so that was me shooting the Taurus CX-22. And oh, please like and subscribe. If you haven't seen another one of my videos, please check it out. Comment down below if there's any improvements on how I should shoot it, or if there's something I'm missing that's really important. Till next time.